Right, this is the daily chart of AAPL. Today I wanted to make another special video on Apple. I've made several videos. I've made a lot of chart updates, and I just want to show this anybody new. How you can see what I've done on my stream. But I've talked about Apple. I actually made a special video right on earnings day, after the earnings, I should say, and I explained back then how I expected Apple to be, much higher, and of course, from that is exactly what happened. I actually invested this long term myself, and since the entry day. Within this period here, it's been nothing but I'll just stay here. Actually, it's been nothing but profitable. And on top of that, I've mentioned many options. Now, let me show on my profile page the. So here's my profile page, Power Trigger Trade. And you can see by scrolling down by date. So let's go to let's just go to August the 8th. So if I give you anybody references, you can see for yourself, right? So we'll go to August the where is it? August the 8th. Let's go down. Now notice I use the word if it confirms, right? Because I don't go long something unless it confirms. I made a lot of updates. You can check out everything I say. I posted. This has been a winner, not as good as I want it to be, but it's been a winner. A lot of winners, very little low losers. But here it is, August the 8th. It says, Apple is set up for higher prices for a low-risk, high-profits trade. Chart explains new points. So if I click on this, if we click on this, right, there you'll see. Now what you do is you click again on the chart. Right, there's 817 views. You click again on the chart, and look what I said here. You can read, what I said. Once the stock confirms, I expect this to take out 100 easily. And anyways, if you go look on my profile page, you look for August the 8th, you can read. I suggest people read what I'm saying because I take the time to explain it. I put my money where my mouth is. So let me just now. Let's see here. How do we get rid of this here? So close this. So here we're back to so basically, yeah, if you want to see the chart, you click on it and then it gets bigger. This is just an education in case anybody doesn't know what to do. Let's go back to the chart. Apple. Yeah, so I've as you can see, if you read my August 8th update, the entry was basically I think it was within this time frame here, and since then it's been a winner. I've actually even added. I made a video explaining how I added on the breakout here. See how? Well, anyway, sorry. This was the breakout. This day here, as we broke out, people were looking at 100. I actually went in a lot earlier based on the trigger up line 99.29. And since, as you can see, we've been supporting, and this does not work like a moving averages. This is, as you can see, this was support, and then it has become resistance. And as you can see, I've explained many times, but Apple had hit this particular blue line many times, but it was also creating patterns, and so there's entry points. I'm not going to explain how my system works, but what I can explain is as soon as we were getting to these levels with this type of action, I can see with the lines, I knew this was very, very, very bullish, and I can see that with a lot of stocks. Let's see if we can get Twitter here, TWTR. I know this was setting up. It had a lot of false signals, but today we had a nice little breakout, and I made an update on that. But let's go back to Apple, AAPL. Yeah, so basically, what you do if you want to get when you look at my updates, or if I let's go back to my. If I post, I'll always post stuff, and again, you've got the dates here, and all the updates that I've had. I mean, it's all here, so I'll always make a reference, and that's the thing is whatever I post on StockTwits, you can easily find the facts, the truth. You just have to listen to the date, and you'll find and take a look, and you'll find the information. what I said with plans, not guessing. Now, of course, like I've explained with Apple, when I had talked about Apple as it was going down, and this day was the reversal day, by the way, people were very bearish the stock. There are people claiming to have bearish crab patterns. I'm gonna find this Siri. See if I can here. So like a lot of people don't realize that not everybody thinks the same. I mean, you have to really believe in what you're looking at. But let's see if I can find I recommend not to. This guy has some things, but this is a bad call, my opinion. The hell is it? It should be coming up here. Yeah, here it is. See, Apple bearish crab pattern, right? Let me explain what this chart says here. To click on it for a large view. So basically, the entry now where I'm talking about going long. This guy goes. I'm going long around 96, or he's going short at 96.72 because the stock was going down, and this ST means a stop 99.45. So obviously he's got stopped out and is completely destroyed and killed here. I mean, this is just completely wrong. I asked this guy to even listen to his own thing. I mean, I've been touting how important Apple is. If this was a deep bearish grab, for Apple, the whole market would collapse. This company makes money beyond money. This is just an education video to explain the facts. But a lot of professionals think they know what they're doing. They don't. So, special video on Apple. Again, what are my thoughts on Apple? Well, on Monday, I think if this especially trades above 105, I'll put up my 10-minute chart. I mean, what I see here is another bullish pattern. You can see in the 10-minute chart a lot of power. I think this goes to 102.50, especially so we break around 101.50 and something like that, and we show some power is what we need to do. We've kind of been, I mean, today was consolidating, but the stock was, I'll be honest with a lot of people. I mean, I don't argue with the market, but I was expecting, it was normal, even a normal pullback. I was even explaining this, that this is in a place where it could consolidate, make a new pattern. These lines, it could take some time, but once we start really breaking this 101.90, especially on Monday, and I mean, this thing is just continually running higher and faster than I anticipated. No matter what happens here, it's a strong winner. Thanks for listening. Like the video.